of reception that our trees are subjected to when they land back. Yesterday, several athletes, including the two gold winners, jetted back to the country, but the kind of reception being accorded to them is still wondering, since even the cabinet secretary himself did not show up to receive. And it's good to note that the arrival of Faith and the other team member was joined in, and if there were any prior arrangements, I saw trying to explain some things a few weeks ago. What scheme system and stipends given to winners for various categories. For example, in Uganda, you can see President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni and Uganda government is giving at least a house, a car, and if you are not married,